Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. So today I'm showing you how I did this super easy and fast wash and go using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. So stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so here is the final results. I have no complaints at all. It's still slightly wet a little bit, but I would say 80% of it is dry. Only thing that, of course it has the white residue, but that goes away as it dries, so that's not even really an issue. I think so far, out of all the products I've used for a wash and go, I would say this has got to be the best for me, for my texture of hair. It was super easy to define. I would run my fingers through my each section maybe 3 times, and it would define the curls instantly. It's very soft. It's not hard or crunchy at all. Very, very soft. Very moisturizing. It's not dry. Like I said, I have nothing bad to say about it at all. It is great. In the future, I'm definitely going to try it for my coils and maybe see how it does for a twist out. But for a wash and go, it was the best. I mean, super easy. I didn't have to keep, like I said, pulling it through trying to make the curls form. It just made them define instantly. Yeah, I love it. Definitely love it. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you have any questions about this product, let me know. Alright? I will talk to you all soon. Take care and be blessed. Bye-bye.